Hi beautiful people, it's Tine again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my DIY eyebrow tattoo. So the product guys that we will be using for today's video is none other than this Bigen. So hair color siya, and this is the Bigen permanent powder hair color. I'm not sure sa shade nito, but I think this one is dark brown if I'm not mistaken, and this one is worth 64 pesos. This one is for your hair, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers using this as their DIY eyebrow tattoo. And as you all know, eyebrow tattoos are very expensive, so why not make your own eyebrow tattoo or DIY eyebrow tattoo. This one is not new to me because I already tried this one before. I tried this a couple of times. Actually, this is my third time trying this DIY eyebrow tattoo. And I love doing this. It's because nakaka-save siya ng oras. You know, doing my brows is actually very time consuming. And it's very helpful if I want to go somewhere else and then my eyebrows are already set. So, ayan. If you guys want to know how I do my DIY eyebrow tattoo, then please keep on watching. Disclaimer lang guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm not a beautician or what you call that. So, ayan lang. If you want to try this product, the Bigen product, make sure to try it first on your skin para malaman niyo if hiyang ba kayo sa product nito or meron kayong mararamdaman na itchiness, ganyan, or baka hapdi kasi nga baka hindi nga kayo hiyang sa product na ito. So make sure before putting it on your brows, try it first on your skin. Ayan lang tips. And by the way, when you buy the Bigen product, it comes with this container. Ayan, and as you can see, meron akong na-mix. Ayan, ganyan yung color niya guys. Ayan. So wag niyo maliitin yung maliit na container niya kasi sobrang konti lang naman na powder yung ilalagay ninyo dito for your eyebrows. Huwag yung marami kasi sayang lang, hindi nyo siya magagamit lahat. So, I suggest super konti lang talaga yung ilagay ninyo sa container na ito. Okay? So, ito, sobrang magagamit nyo to pang ilang times. And this eyebrow or DIY eyebrow tattoo can last for about 3 days to 5 days depende sa pag-wash ng face ninyo. Okay, so let's start. So first thing that I do guys, I put concealer on my brows, yung outer corner of my brows kasi that would be my guide sa paglagay nito on my brows. So for the concealer, I'm using this Caroline Pimple Concealer with tea tree oil, this one. And I'm just going to outline my brows. So, ito yung magiging guide ko guys kung saan ko i-fill in yung DIY eyebrow tattoo ko. But if you're confident enough naman to apply it directly on your eyebrows, why not? If you don't need concealer, you can skip this one. Okay? Then, I'm just going to grab my angled brush and this is what I'm going to use to apply my DIY eyebrow tattoo. I suggest guys, when you put this product on your brows, I suggest na lagyan nyo lang talaga siya, or yung amount na ilalagay nyo on your brows, super liit lang. It's because I tried before na sobrang makapal yung nilagay ko and then it wasn't really good. So, ayun. Kaya, ginaganito ko siya para hindi siya super makapal talaga. That is really on flick. I'm really being gentle with my brows right now. Hopefully, this will turn out very good. Okay. Not bad. Okay guys, so I'm done filling in my brows and it looks like this. So I'm gonna leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes or until it dries up, and then I will be right back. Hi beautiful people, I'm back. So I just washed my face, put a little bit makeup on, but I didn't put anything on my brows. So this is the final result of our DIY eyebrow tattoo. So this is a closer look of my eyebrows right now. Ayan, I didn't put anything. Ganyan siya. So, wala. Ayan. Wala talaga. So, I also didn't put any concealer on my brows para makita nyo talaga yung resulta ng ating DIY eyebrow tattoo. So, as you can see that the color of my brows are not black, it's dark brown, and this shade is really good for like mga colored hair. And even if my hair is kind of black, mayroon naman siyang konting brown, but still it's fine. I love it, and I just love how natural my eyebrows are right now. By the way guys, for the shade of your eyebrows, if you want to get a darker result, then I suggest you leave it for about 3 to 5 hours on your eyebrows, or maybe overnight, and that way you'll really get a darker result. Anyway guys, if you're not satisfied with the result, you can do again the steps or the procedure until you get the right shade that you want for your eyebrows. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. Here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it to be notified every time I upload videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!